Welcome. So in this video, we are looking to see how to download and install Composer, because to handle dependency, so we have to install Composer. Composer is basically uh, a tool that handle all the dependency required in Laravel. So let's check uh, how we can do. So in Google, we just enter Composer. So Composer, it is for a Windows user, and for Mac user, you can also download it for Mac. The Composer download, and first one, click download Composer. So here we can see Composer, download Composer. Latest version is 1.6.4. So it will download, and the path environment, so you can simply Composer from any directory. Okay. So download and run Composer setup.exe. It will install the latest Composer version where it is executed. Okay, we just click on and download into our directory Composer setup. The download is begun. It is downloaded. Click on exe file and click run. So do you want to allow this app to make? Yes. Setup will install Composer to fixed location for all users. This includes a control panel, uninstaller, and the recommended options. So I will go with next, and it will in a C, XAMPP, PHP, PHP.exe. Choose the command line PHP you want to use. So our PHP is a XAMPP installed as a XAMPP server. So it's a package, is a bundle. XAMPP include PHP, MySQL, FileZilla, and other options. So here is our PHP file that will access. So we need to check your PHP and other settings. So it is checking where your PHP file or PHP is installed. So click next. So if you have any firewall or proxy server installed in your network, so give the your proxy server to connect. So it's a standalone machine or standalone client. So I have not proxy. I will click next. And PHP version 7.oht is checking what's the version of your PHP, and click install. Now running the Composer installer script, it is running its script. It will install. So important setup has changed your environment, but not all running. So it has changed the environment. Will be aware of this. To use the Composer for first time, you will have to do one of the following: open a new command window, close all the file explorer windows, sorry, log off and log on again the open new window command. Okay, next. And completing the Composer setup, finish. So now how we can check it is installed? You have to go to command prompt, go to control or run cmd command prompt. Let's dial write Composer. So you can see our Composer is now installed. Composer version 1.1.6.4, 28, 4.3, and 12.4. So it's time. So our Composer is installed. Okay.